How to fix portrait mode not working on Android camera. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if portrait camera or portrait mode is not working in your Android camera. So let's get started. First of all, launch these settings in your device and then tap on apps. From here, tap on See All Apps, then tap on the search icon from the top right corner and in the search bar, search for camera. That's going to take you to app info page of camera. From here, tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and once you clear the cache, all the errors or bugs from the application will be deleted from this device. That's going to help you fix your problem. Once you're done, go back and again on the app info page, tap on Force Stop and then again tap on OK. Once you do that, you have to close these settings. After that, you have to press and hold your power button of your device. Then simply restart your device. Once you restart your device, open up the camera and your problem will be solved. So this is the way to fix portrait mode not working in your Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.